Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about DoorDash responds after woman's embarrassing delivery photo goes viral. So as we all know, with contactless deliveries, one of the things we have to do is make sure we are taking a photo of the delivery. And there are times where the customer is excited and comes out too early, and sometimes the person can end up in the photo and in less than planned attire. So with that said, we are talking about everything that is being said in this article, how it actually is for DoorDash, UberEats, and Grubhub drivers and customers and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. A woman shared an embarrassing photo that her DoorDash delivery driver took of her, and viewers can't stop laughing. TikToker Amelia shared a recent and embarrassing photo of a DoorDash delivery driver took upon their delivery. I'm gonna leave our TikTok as well as her profile in the description so you could develop your own opinions on the subject. This isn't the first time we've had an incident like this talked about on the channel, but one of the things I say is wait for the notification to come up saying, hey, we're good. The photo's taken, you can come out whenever. And it's amazing how there is such a divide among people in this particular aspect. Are you the kind of person that does not want to be in a photo at all? Are you the kind of person that waits looking outside of the window trying to time the exact moment where we just dipped out of there? And then there are some that kind of just don't mind and are kind of like whatever about it, but it really depends on who you're talking about. Before it was deleted, the TikTok on her Amelia's author account had over 7 million views. In the photo, it looks as if Amelia isn't wearing pants. And she also noted in the comments that she was so scared and that she grew 3 chins. The things you do for content, huh? You know, I just took a look at her page and it's not deleted. It's still there. I don't know why they said that. But yeah, based on the photo, she's not wearing pants. And she's like, oh shoot, the face of true fear right there. Although, honestly, it is not all that bad. And I've seen more revealing things on TikTok by far from less attractive people. So you're fine. After taking the photo, Amelia recalled the driver scurried away giggling while giving her the thumbs up. Honestly, it's one of those things I kind of laugh off too, and I'm like, what? You don't want to end up in a photo going into a database that you know absolutely nothing about, going to who knows who and who knows where? Come on. While some viewers question whether the DoorDash driver had previously caught people in awkward moments, many others expressed how funny they thought the photo was. For those who haven't seen it because the original video was deleted, here's the original photo in all of its glory. I don't know why I keep saying that. It's still on TikTok and it has 18.2 million views. Like I said, the things you do for content, huh? I would genuinely frame this and show everybody who came to my door. That's hilarious, wrote one viewer. Why do I feel like that's like such a mom showing baby pictures moment? That's the thing you would be afraid to bring your significant other to your parents because they would always have like baby photos shown to them. They're like, all right, now I'm suddenly disowning my mother.
Oh, this is the one with you with all the food on your face and no clothes on.
Yeah, no. I just cackled so loudly. That's making photo of the quarter said another. Amelia then responded by saying she thought he knew what he was doing. To be fair, it's not like we have much option. Like, realistically speaking, the initial reaction of somebody pull themselves away while also keeping the bag in front of them, knowing that we have to do our job and them also trying to be like, don't take a picture of me. I'm not pretty enough for this. I feel like that moment's hilarious. Like, it's not even about the person. It's about just the moment of being there. It's so funny. DoorDash even responded to Amelia saying he put the dash in dashing, to which she responded he was too quick with it. Let the record show, for every person that was claiming drivers are too slow, he was too quick in this case. Amelia also explained in a text overlay to her viral TikTok that she tried to dodge the photo and she was in a panic to not be included in it. What, Amelia? Like, it's no different than you being on social media. Photos of you going to databases you know absolutely nothing about, going to who knows where to who knows who, doing who knows what with it. Come on. And it's not like you're revealing anything terrible about yourself. Come on. This is my opinion. This is worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. I think the DoorDash response was like the least relevant part of this video. But at the same time, the DoorDash guy did his job. The photo wasn't even that bad. Like, I feel like I've caught people in worse positions 1,000 times. Like, if you really don't want to be in the photo, just make it a contactless delivery, let him take his picture and let him leave. And then you can come out and get it. Either way, if the guy did it intentionally so you would be in the photo, it's kind of messed up. It doesn't even seem like he had much option. Like, realistically speaking, what were you gonna do? Hide behind the wall? How were you dodging? So in the future, I would just say make it contactless and patiently wait for him to send you a notification that's all done. Because otherwise, you're risking another one of these photos. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!